Welcome to my channel STEPAhead with a new video. In this video we are going to share a very simple 1-month free bridal skincare routine that will help to get beautiful flawless skin on your D-Day. A wedding date gives you a deadline and forces you to start making a move. Include these simple changes in your lifestyle that will make your skin healthy and glowing naturally. Tip number 1. Skin whitening drink. Carrot and beet root juice is one of the most powerful drink to get glowing skin naturally. Ingredients required: a half medium B. True feel them Charles 4th carrots, feel them chop. 1/4 inch piece of ginger, 1/2 lemon, 1/2 cup water. Preparation: first wash both vegetables and then cut them into small pieces. Pour 1/2 cup water in the jar of a blender. Add carrots, beetroot and ginger. Squeeze lemon over a blender. 12. Filter this mixture and your skin whitening drink is ready. Beetroot contains potassium, zinc, iron, folic acid, manganese and vitamin C, all of which are known to purify blood that further leads to glowing skin. Carrot contains vitamin E that fights acne, wrinkles, pigmentation and uneven skin tone. In fact, the juice is rich in fiber that eases bowel movement and excretion, thereby cleaning your stomach. Tip number 2. Green tea. Start taking green tea every day along with weight loss. It also brightens the skin and reduces acne by antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It's number 3. Body scrub. Scrub your body twice a week. You can easily make your own scrub, which is very safer than many other expensive body scrubs available in the market. Ingredients required are coconut oil 2 tablespoons, olive oil 1 tablespoon, coffee 1/4 cup, grounded sugar 1/4 cup, sea salt 1 tablespoon in a clean bowl. Mix all the above ingredients and your body scrub is ready. If number 4. Face mask. Ingredients required for dry skin face mask: half mashed avocado, 1 teaspoon honey, paste of 2 walnuts and pure means method. Mix all the ingredients with milk and apply it on the face. Leave for 15 minutes. Wash off with cold water and pat dry. Ingredients required for oily skin face mask: 2 teaspoons Fuller's Earth, 1 teaspoon fresh mint paste, a pinch of camphor rose water. Method: in a clean bowl, mix all the ingredients and your mask is ready for application. Leave this mask on your face for 15 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Use it 3 times a week for better results. This face mask helps in blood circulation. It also has antibacterial properties that will help to reduce soil illness, pimples and acne. Keep your skin clean and oil-free at all times. For this, it is important that you wipe your skin with rose water several times a day. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button.